ChiLokBo Toys Company Limited was founded in 2001, and the area is about 30,000 square meters, and they employ about 900 workers in this factory alone. The main products are focused more on children ride-on toys, both battery and non-battery vehicles, and 75% of the sales revenue is coming from outside China. So I guess you're the perfect client that we've been looking for. We're here today in their factory, so let's go around some more. I'm at the quality control department right now, and behind me are the test reports. These test reports are complying with all the international standards, and let me just kind of put more a little bit of detail. We have the EN62115 EMC test reports, ROS reports, PAHS, EN60825, and all that. They also receive certification from CNAS, and only few labs actually get the certification here in China. I'm here right now at the assembly line, and like what I mentioned earlier, there's about 900 employees that are actually working here. And behind me is the powerhouse that builds these cars. They only use high quality materials which pass EU RoHS standards. In addition to that, their design patents and utility patents have been registered. This is their assembly line right now, and I'm so amazed. Like, I saw the finished product earlier from the showroom. But as you can see, everything's automated with a powerhouse of 900 employees. There are many different specifications and sizes of plastic inspection machines, such as the biggest that they have is the 2100 T or ton. They have the 1600, the 1500 ton, the 1000 ton, 530 to 700 ton. All these machines aid and can be able to provide up to 550,000 pieces of units. The plastic injection machines all come with automatic kinematics robot, an automatic welding arm, automatic string making machines to realize full automation. As you can see in this video, you'll see that all this automation is taking place in this part of the factory. ChiLokBo always uses the highly quality new materials which could pass the European RoHS standard tests. So speaking of quality control, I'm in one of their facilities right now where they do the tests. And that includes the drop test, transportation simulation, tensile test, function tests, abuse tests, and all sorts of tests. This ensures that even before a consumer receives the product, it follows these standards. I am now here at the Research and Development Department, and this is where the magic happens. It happens from sketches, from the ideas of the experts who are here working for this company, and to the 3D scans, CNC, up to the point where the production model is being made. And I'm here at one of the departments where their designers reside, and behind me is actually their resident designer. And you want to say hi, Alex? To say hi?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.